Hello guys, welcome to today's video. So if you are new to the channel, you're welcome, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have been around, welcome back. So today's video is a recipe from the garden video. So I have this wonderful aloe vera plant, and you know that growing your own food equals healthy living. So I make videos to help you use what you have grown in your garden so that they don't go to waste. So today we're going to make aloe vera gel, and in today's video I'll be showing you a very easy way to get your aloe vera gel out of your aloe vera. I've watched some videos and I'm seeing some people actually grating. They actually cut the aloe vera peel then grate. That is a very long process. In this video I'll show you a very easy way to extract your aloe vera gel from your aloe vera without it being messy. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. So for those that don't know, this channel is all about gardening, small space gardening, container gardening, balcony gardening, and basically every type of gardening in urban Nigeria. So some of you might be wondering how you can get your own aloe vera. You can actually plant your own and care for it, and if it grows then you can use it. So there's a video on the channel that you can check out on how to pot your aloe vera pops and then care for it to make it grow and become big and healthy like mine, so you have an infinite supply to use. So if you're interested in gardening and growing healthy food for you and your family in whatever space, big space, small space, then you can subscribe to the channel as I take you along on this journey. So as you can see, I have gone ahead and harvested one of the leaves. I always like to go for the biggest or the longest leaves. I'll just use a knife and cut from the lowest part as low as I can go, as low as possible. And guys, as you harvest or as you do anything with grown aloe vera plants, be careful with the thorns that are on the leaves. They can actually bruise your skin. So I'll just go ahead right now, after harvesting the aloe vera leaf, I'll just go ahead and wash and dry it. So now that my aloe vera is washed and dry, I'll go ahead to cut it into chunks to make it more manageable. So guys, I don't know if you recognize this stick or this piece of wood I'm using. That was what our grandmothers used to use as their own as their own chopping boards. So that's what I'm using to cut my aloe vera into chunks. Then after cutting it into chunks, I'll proceed to divide each chunk into two halves. With this method, you don't have to peel anything. There's nothing messy. So if you notice, I didn't cut off the head of the aloe vera, the parts that people normally think is not good. I didn't cut it off because I'm going for the gel, the aloe vera gel. So normally the gel, you use it for hair and skin. You don't ingest it normally, so that's why I didn't cut that off. And then there's also another video on my channel for where you see the benefits of aloe vera gel for your hair and for your skin, so you can also check that out. So as you can see, I've cut each chunk into two. Then you just pick up each chunk and then grate out the gel from the skin. You just gently grate it until everything that is attached to the skin has been grated out. So as you can see at the bottom of my bowl, the gel is already beginning to collect. So as you can see, easy peasy, your hand is not messy, and then you don't have to grate anything. So just go ahead and grate. You grate out the gel from the skin, and there you have your aloe vera gel. Ta-da! So guys, here is my aloe vera gel. It has been extracted. So a good way to store your aloe vera gel for at least a week or two is to make them into aloe vera gel cubes. So that is how I normally store mine. I'll just pour it into an ice tray, put it in the freezer, and allow it to freeze into cubes. And I will just leave it there. That way, whenever I need to apply it to any area of my skin or to any insect bites or whatever, so I will just pick up a cube and apply to the part of the skin that I want. And guys, the cooling effect is out of this world. So this is what the cubes look like. So you can pick it up and apply it wherever you want, whichever part of your skin you want. So guys, that is what we have for you in today's video. I hope you have learned one or two things from today's video. So I encourage you all, as usual, grow your own food. That is the healthiest thing you can do for yourself and for your family. So if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to help the channel grow.